it's Gina from WTI. Lunch bags have come a long way since I was a kid going to school. Case in point is a super adorable insulated lunch bag from ECHSRT. Now, when I was a kid, my mom used to send me to school with a brown paper bag that she would draw on, and I absolutely love and cherish those memories. But now that I'm an adult, I need a lunch bag that is going to keep my food cold and secure and going to be cute. This lunch bag does all three. First off, I love that it has a metal frame at the top. I often have snacks or lunch in my bag at my feet while my husband's driving the car, and I have to admit that I kind of kick my bag around a little bit, and having that metal frame at the top keeps my things from getting squished. I think the size is actually perfect for two people to have lunch or just a plethora of snacks. The color is gorgeous. It's gray with teal. I love that there's also some other colors kind of woven in with the teal that gives it a really beautiful look, and it almost looks more like a purse to me than a lunch bag. I'm always looking to see if something is well made, and the stitching on this is very secure, the fabric is high quality, and I know it's going to last me. This bag from ECHSRT has exceeded my expectations for a lunch bag. I really love using it, and that's my point of view.